Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to work with sections in Wix. So first, you just have to go to wix.com. This is what it looks like. Now you need to create an account. You can sign up an account using your email address and password, or you can just simply connect to your Google account. And if you have an account already, just click sign in, connect your account to enter your email address and password, and then you will have this one right here. So basically, if you have your site, then if you go to Wix.com, so here you will see all the sites that we have created. These are the sites that I have created here in Wix. And if you want to edit, just click select and edit site. If you don't have a site yet, you can click this create new site right here. And then it will ask you to create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. Yes, it is responsive, customizable, collaborative, and you will see advanced features right here if you tap this try Wix Studio. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to try this create on Wix Studio because the feature or anything here like the option is much easier than Wix Studio. So I strongly suggest to try this one. But everything is up to you if you are advanced to this, then click this. But for beginners, just stop this one. So bring your ideas to life. You can ask a help from AI. You can start chat and then give AI some prompts of what design or template you would like to start or to create. And you can also tap this setup without chat, which is for me is easier because you don't need to think a lot. So you can tap this setup without chat right here. And it will ask you directly what type of website you want to create. So for example, if you're looking for online store, portfolio template, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, event, you can just simply click from any of this here. For example, online store, tap this one. After that, what you're going to do next is tap continue. Then you will see different types of online store. For example, clothes or let's just say cars, everything's up to just click there and you will see this one. So what is this? This is like a dashboard where you can set up your payment and everything here. So to start with that, they will ask you to start setting up your store, for example, and Andy's um Andy's where. Okay. Or let's just say Andy's where or Andy's store. Simple as that. Okay, you can also skip this part if you want. Tap continue and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, this time, what you're going to do next is you have to select from any of this. So, do you already have an online store? You can tap this one, but for me, no, I'm just starting out. Click continue. What kind of products are you selling? So, select from any of this. So, physical products, you can tap digital products, and so on. Click continue. And then you can tap from any of this. So, I'm going to tap this one, click continue, and then continue to dashboard. So we will not go further to this because this is not really our main topic, but to just share you something, whatever you add here, for example, this one, you want to set up your, payment method. So whatever you set up here is totally different from other sites. So it's like independent site. Whatever you add here, change here, it will not affect other sites. As easy as that. So let's go to design site. How would you like to design your website? So pick a template. Choose from any of the template right here. For example, this one right here. Tap edit. Okay, so this like enhancer AI content, but just stop this one. So this is your site. You can edit everything here, the name of your business or company. You could just basically double click to delete or to edit something. So to give you directly the tutorial or to show you the importance of sections. So as you can see, if it's at this one right here, if you want to add section between, you can just simply click this add section. Same goes with other pages right here. So for example, this one, you want to add section, just add again. That's it. That's the first step if you want to add section. Now, what section would you like to add? In order for you to drag a section right here, just go directly below the element, add elements. You will see this add section. If you tap this, then you will see different section like the welcome section, which you can just simply click. It will be added directly to your page. You will see different templates and designs right here. So once you double tap, then you will see it right here. Okay, welcome to Andy Store, something like that. And then if you tap this one right here, you can just simply link this, okay, to a specific website if you want, or your phone number, Lightbox, email, and so on. Okay, so to add again, just click add section. For example, if you want to add about, you will see different styles right here. For example, about us, tap this one. It will be added directly. And all you have to do is, of course, add information about your company. So if you want to add more information about your company or your store, you can just basically double click and then add the information right here. You can also add learn more, okay, and then link this to a specific site or page, okay. If it's site, and then basically you can just paste the link right here. Okay, now if you want to add another section, just click this one. Then you can add team, okay, team section. You can see all your stuff, or your customers will see all your staff and members. Contact form in order for your client or customer to reach you. So for example, if you want to add this one right here, then basically your customer should add their name, last name, email address, message. If they tap send, then you will receive this message right away. You can edit your street, your address right here, your contact number, your email address. You can also link your social account like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So add again, tap this one, and then you can add promotion. So just simply look for the style that you want, services. Just add it right here. Okay, your services, whatever or what services you offer. Subscribe button. Okay, if you want them to subscribe, you can tap and then add this. And basically edit this one. Okay, and then tap again. Testimonials from your clients, customers. Okay, so you can add their fees. For example, if your clients want to share their experience, then you can tap this clients right here. You can add their face by tapping the image and then add their face right here. So for example, if you choose this design, okay, for example this one, then probably you can add the image of your client right here and their testimonial. Same thing with store bookings, events, basic text listen form. So that's it. And you can just edit this by just double click, double tap, and then you can add something here, edit something here, delete a section. If you think that this section is unnecessary, you can just basically delete this section if you want by tapping this and then click delete. Okay. So you can preview your site before you publish. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So once you're done with this section and you're good to go, then click publish. As easy as that. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.